Samsung Galaxy Watches were already pretty good at sleep tracking. Then Samsung upped the game with Galaxy Watch 4 and it added snore detection together with sleeping blood oxygen level measurement, and it became a very powerful sleep tracking tool. Now the company has improved it even further by adding even more features to their sleep tracking software. In this video, I am going to show you how to track and what metrics of your sleep you can actually see on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and truly unlock the potential of your Galaxy Watch when it comes to sleep tracking. The prerequisite to all of this is that you should be wearing your Galaxy Watch 4 to sleep at night. Otherwise, this whole exercise is moot. Once you have done that, go to the Samsung Health app and then go to the sleep section. Here, right at the top, it will show you your most recent sleep that was tracked by the watch. Below that, you will see, after this new update, the sleep coaching program with some interesting new insights, and I will come to it later in the video, so make sure to keep watching till the end. If you scroll down further, this is where the real fun starts. You will see your sleep score, actual sleep time, and the calories burnt during sleep. If you tap on this icon here, it will take you to another page to further make you understand your sleep and show you the comparison with people of the same age group using their Galaxy Watches to track their sleep. As you can see here that my average sleep score is 61. Whereas the average for the same age group is 70. This gives you a much better understanding of the quality of sleep you are getting, and so you can take steps to improve it further. Below that is the information that will actually act as a real eye-opener for you. Here you can see metrics like total sleep time, sleep cycles, movements, and awakenings during sleep, physical and mental recovery. Then you can also see if you are in a good category or in the not enough or excessive category. Let's take sleep cycles for example. For optimum sleep, a human mind needs to go through 5 sleep cycles. Now I knew this information even before coming here and reading this in Samsung Health app. But what I didn't know was how much sleep cycles I was getting in my sleep. And I had no idea that Galaxy Watch 4 can measure this metric. But here you can see that I got 4 sleep cycles last night, which is in the good zone but still not optimum. Similarly, if you're getting to less than 3 or more than 7 sleep cycles during one night's sleep, the quality of sleep goes down. And you can learn this from using your Galaxy Watch 4. Same is the case for mental recovery, during which your memory is consolidated and your mind freshens up for the next day. And this depends entirely on the amount of REM sleep you're getting. Now here you can also see how much REM sleep you're getting at night and work on improving it. Frankly, I am amazed to see this much information about my sleep and realize that I need to work on getting better sleep at night. The same might be the case for you. So, if you're not wearing your Galaxy Watch 4 to sleep, now is the time to do that and improve your sleep quality. Moving on to the sleep chart, it shows the graphical representation of the different stages of your tracked sleep. Here you can see how and when you went from being awake to light sleep to awake again and finally falling into a deep sleep, and how this continues along throughout the night. In my personal experience, I have found this to be in sync with how I slept the night before. For example, if you see here, I did wake up around this time and it took me an hour to go back to sleep again, as shown here. Moving on below the sleep chart, you will see how much time you spent exactly in each sleep stage. And here, you can also tap on this icon to see more information on what these stages represent and how important they are. Next up, you can also turn on the blood oxygen level measurement during sleep and tap on it to see your blood oxygen levels during last night's sleep. It shows you the graphical representation for each minute you were sleeping the night before. Now, let's talk about snoring detection. You can turn it on here and set it up for always or just select once. You can also record audio and choose for how long you want to keep those recordings. And just in case you believe that you don't snore when you're asleep, listen to your recordings and, well, enjoy. It makes me laugh every time I listen to myself. Another detail here is that it also shows you exact timings of the night when you were snoring and when you weren't. In the recent update, Samsung has introduced a sleep coaching program as well to help you improve the quality of your sleep and your sleeping habits through checklists, meditations, and missions you have to go through. Based on your sleeping patterns, it also assigns you a sleep symbol animal representing your sleep type. Now, if we go further in this coaching, you can see that there is a new tip, insight, or advice that you can follow and incorporate in your sleep routine each day. In the end, none of this will work if you're not wearing your watch right when sleeping. It needs to be snugly fit around your wrist, which means not too tight or too loose, just snug enough to not cause you any discomfort. So that's it from this video, guys. I hope this video helps you in tracking your sleep better and enjoy your Galaxy Watch 4 further. If you have any questions or thoughts, let me know in the comments below. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.